But she ain't want no more chicken.
Calm down, Tony. Calm down. Three videos worth of content was deleted.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. 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 Boy, ain't no way, boy.
3 videos. I'm not going through the other videos with the Sentra. It is what it is. Y'all don't watch them videos. Yeah, I'm so upset, y'all. But I'm just gonna give y'all an update of what I did. Sorry, I'm starting this video like this. What's up, guys? It is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today, hopefully today's video is better and it doesn't mess up like the other videos. Been having some camera issues. This camera been corrupting my files. So I haven't been neglecting y'all. I have been doing work. It just messed up. Just let that be said. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown. We did a compression test. And we got good news. As y'all can see right here, we have all the compression readings for each cylinder. The cylinder number 1, it was 185, 196, 191, 180, which is a little low, but it's all good. Not low, but 189, 185. And as you can see, this comes straight from the service manual. Standard is 186. I think that's looking pretty good. You don't want to, have a minimum of 142. And you don't want a difference between 14 between the cylinder. This is the only one that's close, about 11. It's all good. I think it'll be okay. For how many miles it's on this engine, it has 180,000 miles. If you're new to the channel, thank you. Welcome.
I almost puked, but let me stay focused.
I'm sorry that you had to come to the channel with such a crazy intro. Yeah, it's just irritating, but yeah. Guys, I'm gonna start breaking the engine down and doing a 120K service on it, y'all. If y'all don't know, I don't do everything to where I just do crazy builds, but I like to make sure things are properly done. And one thing that is forcing me to do this 120K service is just because I don't know, when they did it. As y'all can see, and I think it was done by Nissan. Looks like 142,000 miles, but it looked like it was done in 2004. Yeah, so I need to get that done. And we had a major leak. Don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all probably can't. I got an oil leak under here, man. That is, yeah, not good. I believe it's coming from the front of the engine bay. And that is just a course of a couple days, how much is leaking. Still have a lot of oil in there. Has not ran out of oil, but I just don't like having any oil leaks in any of my cars. So we're gonna take the whole front part of the engine off. Hopefully we can find the culprit. Probably gonna take off the plenum too. Yeah, we digging in, y'all. We digging in. Y'all just pray for me, because y'all know it's just a lot of things that can be missing on here. And I don't wanna mess this thing up, especially looking at the numbers that I got from the compression test. Yeah. I don't know where we're gonna go from here. I already did the compression test. Don't have any footage of that. So, I mean, I guess first things first, we're gonna start tearing down the front of the motor, taking out the coolant, and then just going from there. Y'all stay tuned, y'all. I'm sorry, man. My energy is just off just because that irritated me, y'all. I'm sorry.
You don't even belong here.
Alright guys, which it wasn't too hard. This is the easiest part so far. I'm gonna show y'all the coolant. It doesn't look it looks kind of brownish green. Doesn't look the best. But as y'all know, I be flushing this thing out. Alright. I can see why they say it's so hard to work on these Z's because everything is so tight, man. But we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. I believe it's this, the clutch fan. I think that's it. Trying to see where the bolts. Oh, I see them. All right, let's get it off. Oh, my bad. All right, guys, we are on day 2. We got some stuff done over here. I took off the crank bolt and the pulley. I was able to get that off with a pulley, with a puller. Now I guess we'll go ahead and take off these, the covers, and I guess that'll be it for this video. Not gonna go into intrusive, but I'm gonna do a lot of parts into this because it's gonna take me a while. I don't have all day to do this. I'm just doing this right after work. So yeah, just trying to get y'all some content, especially because I deleted, well, not deleted, but I had some footage that was deleted. So yeah. Yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and get this done for y'all, so y'all can see what the timing belt looks like, so I can see what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and knock it out, y'all. Don't go nowhere, because yeah, once we get this thing running full tilt, we're gonna do some cool stuff to it. All right, y'all. Don't go nowhere. As y'all can see, I ain't got no shirt on. My AC went out, y'all. I'm hot. Y'all don't worry about my naked top. Just look at this. I think I found the oil leak. As y'all can see, I don't know if you can see it now. Hopefully you can. What are y'all looking at? Right there. Can y'all see? No, you can't. You can't see? But pretty much, man, look at all this oil. I mean, this is fresh oil right here. So the I believe that's the crank seal, and I believe I have it. If I don't, or it could be the oil pump, because the oil pump is right there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the rest of this, and hopefully we can find some good news, y'all. We really need good news. We really do. Well, all right, guys, we're gonna leave it here for now. Getting kind of hot out here. I did get something accomplished. Got the timing cover off, crank pulley, crank bolt. So I think I did pretty well. Next video, I think we're gonna go ahead and take off the plenum, because I want to make sure there's no leaking on the valve cover either. Just chasing down oil leaks, all the issues that I may find. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Thank you guys for watching. Next video probably will be on the plenum, so stay tuned if y'all want to see that. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. Peace.